The Tomahawk Turbo Mosquito Fogger is perfect for applying pesticides, fertilizers, and more, but it won't do you much good if the unit is leaking. Today we're going to talk about the last trick you can use to stop common leaks in your backpack fogger. First, make sure that all of your hoses are connected, especially the breather tube inside of the tank, which can be a common cause of leaks. If you haven't already, take a look at our breather tube video. If your fogger is still leaking after you've checked all of your tube connections, you can follow these steps to reroute the system. The reroute is a secondary backup that will also allow you to continue using your fogger if you ever have accidentally run the machine dry and break the pump. First, you're going to want to remove this tube from the nozzle at the base of the tank. You can remove this tube completely or simply zip tie it back so it doesn't get in your way. Next, grab the spare tube in the fogger's box and attach it to the same connection point. Then, disconnect the tube at the back of the throttle's white valve and connect the other end of the spare tube to that connection point. And with that, you've rerouted the flow of water, and the function of this machine just became a lot simpler. Water will now release directly from the tank to the valve and then out the nozzle, which should resolve your leaking issue. For any questions, do not hesitate to reach out through our website support.